Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day and ready for an amazing week. Today, we're going to be making this little tent, which is a little calendar. I make this every year. I love making those because I put it on my desk here in the corner and I look at it every day. Guys, it's my first day crafting after Christmas, so I've been off for a while. But guys, honestly, December for me is a horrible month because I work in retail and my shifts are crazy. I do lots of extra hours. I work until midnight to start at 6 the following day, so I get no days off and it's crazy. Okay, so I had to take a few weeks off after the new year, but I'm back. So yeah, I'm filming quite a lot of videos. So yeah, today we're going to making this, and the reason why I wanted to make this, as I said, I do this in the beginning of every year. So if you look on my channel and type desk calendar, there is like 900 videos because I do this once a year. Anyway, the reason why, because I wanted to showcase my free calendars that you get this month when you join my VIP lounge membership. As usual, guys, my VIP lounge is a membership that I offer on my website where every month for the price, less than the price for a coffee, you get loads of goodies. Before I show you how to make this little bad boy that stands perfectly straight on your desk, let me showcase the papers for the month of January for my VIP members. The first kit that you get is called A Cold Walk in the Woods. I wanted to create something that, of course, is winter. And I don't know about you guys, but here in Sheffield, we have had our first snow. It's been absolutely freezing. So it don't look like that where I live, but in some of the parks, the snow has been quite deep. Yeah, so I wanted to create a pack that is still wintry without looking Christmassy, but still celebrates the winter, the colds, and the kind of like when you walk into the woods, you find all these lovely woodlands animals, etc., etc. So this is probably one of my favorite page. I wanted to give you some iced cold butterflies, so I picked these colors with this effect. So again, you can, mix and match with anything. Another 2 pages, you can use this as a journal page or cards template, or you just simply cut the section that you need. The choice is yours. Okay, I can't lift it up. Oh, that's it. And then last, you get this page here with the 4 backgrounds. Again, I designed this in mind to be used as a cards background, either like greetings card or vintage cards, so you can do what you want. Okay. You also get 1 page, the 2026 calendar with each month, because I'm going to do a project with this so you guys can see. Every year I do my own desk calendar. So yeah, keep watching because that will make sense. Also, every month you get a collection of tags or bookmarks. Use them as you wish. And this month is this one here. Again, I wanted to keep it quite wintry and cold with the lovely blues, but also wanted to give you a pop of color with some roses. Okay, so this one here. Every month you also get a 3D letter gift box. We've done all the alphabet up to letter U. So this is the month letter U. So you get the assembly instruction and of course the template, and I'm going to show you in just a second what the letter looks like when it's done up. It's very, very simple. This is probably one of the easiest letters to make because you've got all the panels that you glue together and the bottom here. But let me show you what the letter U looks like when it's done up. This is what it looks like, and it stands on its own because it's a 3D U. So we got both sides got lovely butterflies, and then on the paper, because I had quite a lot of space left on the second page, I just give you some butterflies embellishments that you can fussy cut and create other decorations. Okay, let me show you the complete alphabet that we've done so far. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and R, S, lovely like velvet florally, and then T. And every month you get a digital magazine, and this month is the lovely Gardener's World magazine that you can download and print, or you can just download on your iPad or your PC or your Mac and just read it. Okay, so this is the PDF. So this magazine is the BBC Gardener's World. If you are from the UK, you recognize this. So yeah, it's super cute. You get loads of inspiration. You can also print some on the pages and create your own project. But yeah, it's completely up to you what you do. But every month you get a different magazine. And this is the Gardener's World from January 2017. So please enjoy reading it. And then if you print some of the pages, I would love to see what you make. And last, yes, you get lots of treats. Last but not least, every month you get a little present from me. And this month is an additional collection full of lovely birds. Again, I took inspiration from the cover of the Gardener's World magazine with a little bird. And I created a collection of lovely birds. Yeah, super cute. This is probably my favorite. Again, I wanted to all feel very wintry, like very cold and winter without looking too Christmassy, because of course we passed December. So you get a collection of 3 pages. This is my little gift to you. And then you've got a little ephemera here. Now those 2, you can use them as tags, but they're meant to be like belly bands to put on your journal. So you just simply glue the top and bottom and you just slide your ephemera or documents. So you get 2 of those and a lovely page. So this is the starting point. So this is the page that you get with the membership for this month, for the month of January. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut each little month and I'll be right back. Okay, so I chopped all the little months in these squares like so. Then you need a piece of cardstock that measure 9 by 4. Okay, actually 4 by 9. Okay, and then you need to score it at 3, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so can you see the score line? And then we are going to finish the fold. This needs a massive cleaning, so apologies about that. Then here we're going to do a 10th fold, but I'll show you in just a minute. So that's on the other way around. And then that goes like that. So on the 7 score, you need to fold it like that, like a 10th. So, but before we put it together, I'm going to attach, this is from one of my papers, my Blue Symphony from my book, very popular. So just going to put a little bit of double-sided tape. I don't know, since I've been crafting, my mood about adhesive has changed drastically. I used to be obsessed with Mod Podge. Now I'm literally, now I leave off double-sided tape. I just prefer dry adhesive because A, don't alter the consistency of the paper, and B, it's so much quick. It's so quick, so quick. Okay, so in fact, should we put this together first? So what we need to do, on the last rectangle there, we're going to put the adhesive. I've got a thicker double-sided tape. And in fact, we're just going to put a little strip there as well. I just want it to be very secure. Now you can make this as a craft fair ideas. So if you do craft fairs and sell them, you can make them in bulk because they're very, very easy to make. And everybody loves a little calendar, especially at the beginning of the year. Okay, so it looks like a tent. And the reason why we added this core line here, because otherwise you just leave it as a tent. Okay, so it stays like that. The reason why I added a score line there, so it stays flat. Okay, so you can post this, or you can put it with your little Christmas greetings card if you want to give them a little gift for the new year. Or again, if you do craft fairs, you can just put a little plastic cellophane bag and stack them and it stays. And it's literally what the person that needs to do, you just literally put it like that. Then we're just going to put our pictures on the top. And I do this project every year. If you go onto my channel, you see every year I've done a version of this. Now, the monthly calendar is completely up to you. You can put it in the corner, you can put it in the middle, you can put it upwards. I quite like to put it like that because I want you to be able to see the birds. So just gonna put a little strip in there. And then what you do every month, you just peel this off and then put the next month. Yeah, and what you do when January goes, you just peel these off and attach the February. Super cute. How easy is that? Super, super, super cute. Right, let me show you where to find my VIP lounge on my website in case you guys want to join and download the calendar that you get for free. Okay. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc., etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Because these are the books, so just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan and get it to my website. And then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay, then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. Okay, so you can pay monthly, or you can have one payment on the yearly, where is £20 a year. Okay, so you just pay once. On this, you pay monthly. On this, you only pay once. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And I really appreciate every single one of you. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Before we go, I wanted to share with you guys that I have an account on eBay in UK. I'm doing a huge craft distash. I'm getting rid of a lot of things because I am preparing myself for the relocating to Italy that is going to happen at some point this year. So unfortunately, I'm parting myself with some stamps and goodies and crafty tools that I don't use, and it just feels like it's just a waste of space. And also it's a great way to make some cash, because it's much needed. Yeah, we've got quite a lot of things to pay for the relocation. So yeah, so if you wish to sponsor and get your hands on some crafty goodies, let me show you on the screen my eBay. So I'm not sure if you live abroad how is it going to work, but of course for my UK crafty friends, of course the shipping is very cheap, but I'm not sure if you're allowed to buy from overseas. I'm not entirely sure, but let me show you on my screen. I'm doing a massive distash because I have started to packing up all my stuff in preparation for my relocation to Italy. So I have lots of Stampin' Ups and tags and punches and stamps and all other crafty tools and supplies on my eBay. So, and of course you can also get my papers in there as well. So have a look on my eBay. I will put the link down below, so if you want some bargains. So they sell quite fast because, as you can see, I made them quite cheap because I need them to go. So yeah, just have a look and see if you fancy something to treat yourself, or if you collect some stamps and get some more. Okay guys, I'm going to go big thumbs up for liking this video. really truly appreciate your love and support, and don't forget to subscribe as well if you're new to me. And of course guys, I will really appreciate it if you can join my VIP lounge. It's literally £2 a month, less than the price for the coffee. That don't even pay for the magazine. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.